they are boiled already. Yes. They are boiled already. People are my day. Afternoon. First Isaiah, that's better, my people, good afternoon. I'm not doing my people now, good afternoon. Don't be celebrate. Good afternoon. Long time, man. How family time? Work. You know working people now. Sometimes pick up. What's wrong? The washing. One big one. How are you? It's very sunny here today. Sunny. For last night, yesterday morning, I couldn't lie in Rich Abbey. Day before yesterday morning. I don't fear enter line because I dey busy. It's not really easy. No. Working class mother, wife, working class, social media influencer, social media talker. You always get as they be. You know, they always they be the way person will just there as 24 hours they be. If I there for 3 days, I don't work. No. That 3 days, Muhammad, how are you? But are you a Muslim? Your name, you get us to be, look funny, you are a Muslim, eh? Good afternoon, my people, how am I? I day as today, I say, make I still join on online, make I cook vegetable, make I quickly pass very important message, and also join my people to do necessary gist as we do when we have the time to do it, you know. So, I want to quickly pass this message to a messenger of social media, a tool on social media, a weapon on social media. Some people where they just carry like this knife, you know. Knife now you need to hold on. Or zombie. Fela says zombie. Fela refer to some people like that, like zombie. Say they are way now one way. Say tell them to turn left. Na joro ja rajoro. Tell them to turn right. Na joro ja rajoro go and die. Joro ja rajoro go and kill. Joro ja na put up for river. Joro ja rajoro go and die. Joro ja rajoro. Zombie way now one way. Joro ja rajoro. Zombie way now one way. Joro ja rajoro. Zombie way now one way. Joro ja rajoro. Attention, left, right, about tongue, you know. Fela knows some people like that. Now I make can sing that music. You know, say human being they like that way they function like robots. They are really zombie in nature, you know. Some people function like that. At times, it's not because they are wicked people naturally. They might be lacking understanding of life. They function like mumu. Then they function like zombie with a laptop. One way. You understand? Their minds tell them, say, you can be loyal to a person and be stupid. No. The best loyalty, Ebony pepper them, let me first of all quickly block you. Pin this, no, let me block you. Block. Yeah. You feel talked about me, mention my name for many years. I might decide not to reply you. The reason why I don't go reply you is that I don't measure your life. I don't measure your level of understanding. Maybe I see you like baby. I see you like toy. I see you like a person where you don't get sense. I see you like say, you know, they make sense when you talk. I decide not to reply you. But not because say I fear you. Because so my message go to messengers on social media. Yes, I block them. Yeah, I have to block them. Please, if you see anyone that I need to block, just tell me, please. Let me block the person fast. Messenger, it's good to be a good messenger, but when you become a bad messenger, it's bad for your own personal life. To be a bad messenger, the only person you will be good to is the person that is taking advantage of you. The only person you will be important to is the person who is taking advantage of your young brain. The only person you will be important to is the only person who is taking advantage of your low life. You see? So before a person can use you, before people start using you to do or to achieve, even this Agberu way they work, follow politicians and all these things, how do they normally assess people before they start using them? They assess you through your head to say, what do you know? Do you understand that you are being used? No. So if you don't understand that you are being used, but you are just being loyal like a fool, you are being used, your life, your heart, your own, everything that has to do about you will be in danger. This message is an advice and can be 10 or 20 minutes of a message, like advice to people where they behave like fool. Yeye messengers. My message is for Yeye messenger. I suppose put on just now. Yeye messenger. If you are loyal to somebody, make sure you add your brain to it too. make sure you add your sense to it. Because anything you are doing that time, the only person who will suffer the consequences of those actions is you. No other person. You will suffer the consequences of those actions alone. You see? So before person they use you, till they acquire your own selfish need for in life, look what will be their interest in your life. Maybe at a time they don't even have a good interest for you. Maybe at a time they don't even think about your safety. Maybe at a time they don't even think about your future. Maybe at a time they don't even think about your tomorrow with your own, with other people. They don't think about these things when you are being used. That's why you see some people where they loyal to politicians, after they use them finish, they normally kill them. They go kill them. Make sure that they remove them from the scene, so that tomorrow they will not be a bad betrayer. So that tomorrow they will not come and reveal what they know. So that tomorrow they don't get mad they talk. But know that whoever is using you is more important, is more sensible than you. Anybody where they use you get sense past you. Anybody where they use you get brain past you. Anybody where they use you clever past you. Anybody where they use you, he know wetin dey this life past you. Anybody where they use you, he wise past you. If pet people they use you, check the kind use where they use you. If now they use where they say it concern you and the person direct, it's okay. Let them use you. After they finish using you, they dump you like the idiot where you present yourself to be to them. But you see the use where they say now use where it concern other people. Make sure you don't fall into that trap. Make sure you don't fall into that trap or into that trick. Because the only thing when I see around some people where they use for social media, the only thing I see is foolishness, nothing else. The only thing I see is just arrogance and foolishness. And I know they like make they use this my name, where my mouth where I take the chop better food till they mention my name. Never. I don't like it. I don't like them. So I decided to give you a messenger or stupid messenger where you don't get sense. You cannot be a mother, and a mother like you will be misusing your life. She will not even add any. You are valueless to this kind of person. Tomorrow you want to come out. You want to be like, you come social media to come do your work, but you want to be a stupid messenger. How? Why una they always like make una safe? Waiting people don't make una. Later, you people want to come out and accusing the person that you are liking. You can like a person from a distance, but don't misuse your life. Don't put your life in danger in trying to please another person. It's very dangerous. Because the person when you they please tomorrow, by the time when you drop this say boa, small thing just happen like this, it will drop you. Like say you've never ever be relevant in this life. Some people are suffocating. They think they are loyal. You are afraid of tomorrow. Fear is an enemy of I don't know what. Don't be afraid of what a human being like you can do to you. Make sure you are yourself. Make sure you are yourself anytime, any day. If somebody they use you, they constitute nuisance. If they use you, they fight, they go. If they use you, they kill people. If they use you, they insult people. It doesn't care about you. That person does not love you. That person does not even have any love for you. But make sure, please share this video. Make sure you don't fall from grace. My video is about letting you know the consequences of what you are going to face tomorrow. I'm a teacher. I want to teach you the possible consequences of waiting you. If you are a stupid messenger, if you be a messenger, you have the consequences tomorrow. And these consequences, when I want to talk about, I want you to sit down and listen to them. Make sure what you're above in one is one of them, because I say maybe you said to number one. Another thing will be another big consequences of the nonsense they are using you to do right now Do you know what is the consequences? Tomorrow, you don't even have anything to talk about on social media. Because people already know you for a particular thing that you cannot divert from. So if you are a stupid messenger, make sure you remain a stupid messenger all your life. Don't fall from grace. Don't fall from grace. Because people like me, I will never ever mention your name, reply you, come down to your level. But I will wait for you at a particular place. I know where I will wait for you. I will wait for you to fall from grace. I will wait for you to miss the track. I will wait for you to make mistake. I will wait for you. I'm going to be very patient with you. And my patience, I'm increasing it day by day. You see me? I be woman where you know what they happen for this life. I'm learning how to be patient every day and every day and every day. And my patience is not just patient for nothing. My patience is for a reason tomorrow. So, if I don't have a particular problem with you personally, and somebody is using you to talk about me today, make sure you continue doing that thing to the end of life. Make sure you never get tired. Because if you get tired, I'm going to so deal with you mercilessly. I am going to, this time around, I'm closing my eyes. I am pretending that I'm not seeing anything. But I am waiting for you. There's a place where I'm waiting for you. And that particular place, you will meet me there with your own 2 legs when the time comes. I go away if you and you turn it. Iwa vient go away you turn. E dokpa ou yo bowe ou ko ahiande because emi no pa gbebu vu e do no ya se la dian. Udo yo wewe hian se ba. Mario carton yirin e dokpa o kan tu musto la dan do yo. E dokpa o musto la dian do yo. I also want to use this video to encourage people where this year messenger they talk to. No one should reply her. None of you should reply this person. Please, make sure you make her so irrelevant. Make sure you make this person the biggest irrelevant person on social media, like we have been doing, like I have been doing all this while, and I will continue to do it until that day where you will fall from grace, where you will get tired of going to yeye message, and this your mouth, you go use your mouth. Oloi idia. If you not see anybody where I suppose block, no not telling me I did block them. You go use this your mouth. You go use and take cry, come out for help. I mean, when water don't fill your mouth way. You know, say people where they speak Benin say, oh man, many people don't know what they use that fight still mean. Person where get power, you know they fight this kind of power where some people, the kind of fight where some people want to make them the same and they fight. It doesn't fight those kind of fights. Big. Some people want to go down with you like this. No, but you want to go down with them like this. They want to go with you like this. You don't want to do them like this. You want to do them like this. You want to beat them on the ground. You see, when you be person where you know what you do for life, those are the kind of fights that is good. You don't just come out and be fighting like an idiot or like a fool. Fight will not make sense. Before you go report, give 1 or 2 people, you go wrong. You don't do that kind of fight. Sorry, my people. You know they do that kind of fight with anybody. You can expect me from now to tomorrow to come and fight a fight. That kind of fight where they say, me and you go to the battlefield. I may walk back when you want to be valid. When you come out now, you want to be valid. I may walk back when you want to me watch when you when you carry me. Me let the car now. He may be a car, and he be again in the afternoon. He be again in the afternoon. Again, he moved Yakan, again, no taking a yak with the kayak with the car, and he got winning. Any time away. is going to remain everlasting in you. Now, because we are not the fight anyhow fight. I don't like to the fight anyhow fight because you see, it gets some kind of thing where you go test some people. It go remain for their head for the rest of their life, and it go they play this thing. Some of them they look on for social media and they do like so na sabi do saga. Now they do oduga gaga. Why have you ever do? Person wey sabi do saga. Nothing the pepper for body. If you a person quarrel finish, you not go even remember what the person tell him. Person wey sabi fight. If you fight with a person already, you don't remember what they told you. You have forgotten because you was ready. But you see, when you are not ready, you just come out when they talk because then it be na ya home then it ya home. And it pa time away. Oh yeah, be 10 years they go well you you know they come up for your belly. If you see person where follow you fight, it begin to react what you tell and say, you tell me this one, you lie for my body, you lie for my body, you tell me this one, what you talk not be true. What you said is not true. What you said is not true. Know that they don't know how to fight. There's no beautiful fight. I always advise people on social media. I always say this. If you are ready to come on social media and fight, don't expect a beautiful fight from your opponent. Have you ever seen any fight before where they hug for anywhere? They'll say, wow, it was a beautiful one. Every fight is always rugged. So make sure you are ready for a fight before you start calling fight. Fight, come on. Fight, come on. And know that it's not everyone you call that will answer you. That will answer you no the time you are calling. Because everyone is not like you where you use brain, they knock ground. Everybody don't be like you where you know the reason. Everybody don't be like you where you want fight where gain no day. Some people know how to select their opponents very well. Some people know how to fight their fight at the right time very, very well. Ebewe, yeah, messenger. Listen to me very well this afternoon. Yeah, we be well. Let's see where Babana. Yeah, I'm with social media. But make sure you know what I talk? Make sure say you not fall from grace. Make sure say you not fall from grace, so make sure you remain in one place. You see that work where you did do, that messenger work, make sure you stay here, make sure you are there, and make sure you don't move. Make sure you don't move. That's my only advice to you, because you will suffer. You will suffer. You will suffer. You will suffer. If you move, you will suffer. Where? If other people are not telling you, me will be Rita, I will tell you. I go tell you. Make sure say you not fall from grace. So make sure say you remain a bully that you are. Make sure you know your name, you know your position, and you hang on to your position to say, na bully, na be. Uga babari. Emi no ami the social media say we. Make sure you buy you anire. That one, na my message for your messenger. Who said to say missing in Nigeria? The other day, I come out to do program in the evening. Say, this is how you can relocate your children from Africa. You bring them from Europe. Some people come out the next day, they come, they cry. You can actually go and use the time when you take the misbehave now. You go use and take work. Full time. And bring your children and put them to sit on your table. Eat with you. Be useful to yourself. Remember the children that when you use your totote bone. Mama, when you enter Facebook, if person talk to me, I'll go look it like. There are people I respond to. I don't respond to. I just advise people where they unnecessary. I know that I don't respond to useless people. No. If I see, say, you cannot even fix your own life. How can you leave 5 children in Africa and be misbehaving on social media platform? 5 children. 5 children. 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and you be misbehaving on social media. When you come out and you talk like a fool. You talk nonsense. You don't make any sense. The only thing you talk about is nonsense. And your mentor will not sit you down to tell you how you can be useful to your own children. You cannot be useful to your own children. Which is this time when you do so, is the only time you can really work and bring your children before they get to 18 years. So that your children will come and enjoy you. Your kids were brought out on social media, they look like beggars in the street of Ring Road. Your children look like people where they use them until they beg. Those kind of children, we have them in Benin. They get mama for Europe. You don't be like say they get mama. They use hands till they beg food. They go la wo fiame, la wo fiame. Why? Because their mother is useless and wayward wherever she is. Their mother is useless and wayward wherever she is. If your children cannot enjoy you, and you want another person to enjoy your service, you are a fool. If the children that you gave birth to, they are not enjoying your service, and you are pleading loyalty, you are not loyal to the children you gave birth to from your own body. You see my children, how I am loyal to them. I've not been online since about 2 days now. Or let me say 48 hours. Because of my own children. I needed time to arrange them. I needed time to help them do some necessary things because they just resumed school. I needed time to help them do this, to do that. For 2 days, I couldn't be online. I have to give it to my children. And your children will be somewhere using plates till they beg food for area. And you'll be busy talking about me. You are stupid. You are stupid. You are stupid. Your children cannot even afford ordinary second-hand clothes to wear. Your children are being given clothes in the area because their father. Please, my people, we really need to applaud some men. Not be all men, they useless. Some men need to be applauded. There are men who do the work of a woman. Some women are more useless when it comes to children than a man. This person where we they talk so, the man where he born for is busy taking care of those children. Like being there for his own children. That is when you see that kind of woman go open mouth, go talk to that kind of man anyhow. A man that is taking care of 5 children that you abandoned. Abandoned children. You cannot abandon your children and talk to me and you expect me to reply you. I will never ever notice you because you are very irrelevant. Even to the blood that came out of your body. Even to your own eggs, the eggs that your womb carried, you are so irrelevant to them. The eggs where your body produced for 5 consecutive times, you became useless and irrelevant to them. Then you are expecting me to reply you? You are stupid. You are stupid. I will never do that. I will only advise you, tell you what to do. One of the things you need to start doing right now, go and get your full job. Facebook doesn't pay. Don't. You see people where they Facebook, where you say Facebook they pay. Facebook no, they pay them. If you receive too much money on Facebook, it's just nothing, equivalent to nothing. Facebook does not pay anything. Facebook is just an entertaining medium. And you need to don't belleful before you go sit down for here today. Talk to people. Make sure say you don't arrange your life. At least to a particular level. If you want to start, from there you have a place to start from. When you are complete ordinary grand, do you know what it means for you to work and get permanent in the country where you are? You see those 5 children that you abandoned in Africa? If you don't have permanent, you can never bring them into Europe. You are wasting your time. Yes. If they are 1, 2, maybe they will consider. You see, if you want to carry a battalion like that needs a complete flight to take all of them, you need to be relevant to the community where you live first. Tell them, what have you contributed that will make us to believe that if your children come here, not be we will be the government, where they feed you. After feeding you, you will sit down and be making mouth on social media, talking to people who work 8 hours, paying tax. I will go and work and I will pay the tax for a government to put a food on your table. And you talk to me and you think I will reply you. I'm not your level. Me and you cannot be just doing talk and exchange. Myself, but it's just knowing who you are and knowing where you belong to. Facebook will never pay your retirement. The reason why you see some frustrated old people in Africa today, in Europe, sorry, is because of irrelevancy they give their life to at this young age. The time when they are young, the time when you have the strength, the time when you have the power, the time when you have the energy to do something, do it. Go and give your life some meaning. Go and make your life meaningful. Go and get useful to yourself and to the people who need your attention, like your children. I don't need your attention. You can talk for 1 to 20 years. I might not even notice you. There are people who you are relevant to, who decide, who are supposed to notice you. And your work will be useful to them. Your work will be useful to them. 5 children. You cannot abandon a whole battalion of children and be useless in Europe. It's not possible. The height of all stupidity in this life is for a woman to abandon 5 children and be useless. Useless to your own self. Useless to the man who put you at home. You don't work. You don't add any value except to the one your mates go work, give government, you use and take it. You see other single mothers where they inside house, where not they work. They have the time. They don't work, but they have the time for their children. Even the small money government is giving you, you want to use it to buy Rivon, to belong by all means. Even the Rivon is not even looking like a Rivon in your head. Or you're not back where you won't go. I look at you and I will just be laughing. It's not even looking like a Rivon on top of your head. Your mind is telling you that you want to belong. And whereas you look more stupid and more stupid and more stupid and more stupid by the day. Are you even sitting down after your video? Go and watch your video and listen to everything that comes out of your mind. You look like a fool. You talk like a fool. You jump up and down on top of your chair like a fool. You talk for 2 hours. You make no sense. You are so irrelevant to the people who watch you. You are not even entertaining them. You are showcasing your stupidity at every given time you open your mouth to talk. How stupid can a human being be? You took your birthright. A birthright in Osalobaya Womodion. If no matter no hinum, if Biakane here in Rototo, Nari or Nachim, Ricobo with Minunari, no 20 here in Rototo. Your birthright. What the Bible called birthright. When you bought a birthright, you sold it and you gave it to your younger sister. Say, take, I'm useless, go and use it. And your younger sister is using your birthright. She's arranging it. She's organizing it. She makes too much sense when she speaks. She's vocal. She can talk. And the only thing you can come out to say you never born. Goats they born. Not be only human being get the ability to born. Goats can give birth. Chicken can give birth. Dogs give birth in the street. You having children does not make you mother. Having children does not only make you a mother. What role are you? Like, you're shoeless. No be the webo. A government or any. If no government, you can't boast of working and sweating for 1 hour and feeding the children that came out of your own body. You're shoeless. And you expect me to come and battle words with you? You're stupid. Are you listening to me? You are stupid. I will never do that. I rate people. Before I come out and battle words with people, I rate them. I don't pluck a benori. I'm not a mad person. I rate you first. This is who I am. Take it or leave it. Call it pride. Call it whatever you like. I select my opponent very well. I don't fight with idiots. You saw people making up. Instead of you to take the money, the government you are arranging visa and missing. You are busy using your time to sit down and talk to a patient, talk to Susie, talk to Dora, talk to Beauty, talk to whatever. You are making the most useful time of your life to become the most wayward because you are serving a very wayward God. You are making a woman like you to be your role model, a person who does not even notice your existence. My dear, you need some people need brain therapy in this Europe. I'm telling you. Some people need to be therapized in their brain. Not everyone you see walking in the street are okay. Some people need to go under the machine and get into therapy. And need to go and just therapize yourself, know your status so that you can start taking medications at the right time. Or is it your medications that is not enough? Or you took overdose? Or what exactly is your problem? You are shocking yourself, using your own self to beg a woman like you. You are stupid. You cannot be a woman who know herself and be using yourself to beg a woman like you. Say, please notice me, take me. Oh my God. It's not possible. Some things are better left unsaid. Some stuff are better left unsaid, my people. You get some kind of things that I look at them. I really want to talk about it. At times I just say no, some things are better left unsaid. Some things are better left unsaid. And it's the wrong why I tell you so because we are run tired no she. And that's so no go or here with the baby avant so you are. The baby avant also you are waiting here. A boss can allow. Omo be like bus stop. Uwa here boss ya mo. Boss ya nice. Ma ya fe ran we ni go kwa. Ni ya igbe amu ya. Ma ya because I first of all check you out. You can't be having uwa total. Uranhara. Uwa bie you be missing. U bie you yakpato. Ume you bonjene mon bie. Ume you bonjene mon we bie. Wa agwa. You are never be on social media to sit down. Let me tell you the things you are supposed to be doing on social media. If bien the same more Africa, do women topic. Let me give you some hint of topic. No make it now day useful because it's raw webungi. Uzwagbe. It's raw who were told the before. We am total that is. Oh, I am winning away and our. I am when aware. O era mo ho ya no e be no take no ye no ya riba ona ya hwenya we a era mo ho ya or yo is era my second wife no wo era we wa me eje. Ask your father wife say what he do you really need to get some answers from your father's wife. Not possible. You cannot withdraw your mother role, your motherly role. You will sell it and give it to a man, a father to hold. Your husband will be rocking the motherly role. She will get up and look for school. He will get up and take care of your children. He will get up and he will even come out to cry to the whole world, to beg the whole world to pity him and his condition and take care of your children. And you'll be on social media and be ranting. You need the Jesus with that with my sister. You need to salute why that more any wrong magba. A video now you might not give recognition to this video today, but in the nearest future, you will give recognition to this my video. Sit down and listen to this video. Something is definitely wrong with your head. It's either you are mad, or you are too stupid, or like who were you been be on a what we can when you can so that no low way I may be but the meaning way that we are way. One a back. We are a back with boy. Can't you learn some lessons? As social media na we jira no pa lose over here there you on a gbin on a line when I am more with Belona Lawa. They no see any no important in that when I think way. A besuwa. I mean no important no take worry la jando mad no way. See my children where they Africa. I'm celebrating them on my table. I brought them to Europe. Or see where they live. My sister, if you know how can we are educated, do I mind with the social media we one born away? They can in West Asia. I'm telling you what you are supposed to be doing so that you remain relevant on social media. If not, you are just like a mumu of the highest soda. This is what you are going to remain. You will never pass this level. This is what you are. And when you get tired of playing this stupid loyalty, you know what's going to happen to you. Your ass is going to be so kicked. You know it already by yourself. Why denying the truth? You want to belong, and you are like Yaye a meaning a dagmo way. Total Tamagmon. If you have Facebook, you say me say you are. You say me say you are. If I were you, I will leave 5 children in Africa. By now, my children will be with me in Europe. It's not possible. Or money may be what me eva. If you're like Webona, Ubome. Even with family here for how many years? And then they be tired of social media. Giving you woman at least. We won't pan way. Give more to no movie yes with that big. Or how can a driver Mundia or Mundia? A driver in Mundia, driver at where Moya drop in school. If where I dress. Yeah, social media. Close the mouth of people. Know how to live your life. You don't know how to close people's mouth. Give them results. People want to see results. You are not a mother. How can you be another sister and be so stupid? What total go on the social media? The only thing you do, Ogunbue. When I can't listen, Ogunbue. This one used to be. You are just so like. You are just so stupid. How can you be so stupid and irrelevant to a monologue and Kenigwe? My God, my people, if I just see him at times, do you know that this very person, I don't take my 1 minute. If I see it, I screw over like this. Chap, chap. What kind of nonsense is this one in front of me? That's the reason I've not been replying. You was begging for my attention. You have been begging and still begging for my attention for a very long time. And I decided not to give it to you because you are very irrelevant to a mono-webie. Go and give that attention. If for me to give you that attention, go and give your children. I will ask your sister where your children are, and I will donate to them on social media. You will watch it live. If you are not careful. If you are not careful. I will give a taxi to your children that will be taking them to school. And the driver will talk on her. You will watch it live. If you are not careful. How can you be so stupid? It's not possible. You are shocking your matter. You are shocking yourself into the eyes of people. You are using your body to beg for attention that nobody even wants to give to you. I have not seen such a stupid person in my life. This is the height of stupidity in this life. Can you notice here? I don't even know whether you exist. You are just so dull for my liking. You are just so useless. What is this? Your children need you. Your children need you. Your children are crying for help. Your children, la regumenta mawe. Egena yak mina ya temata. Oma no gbena na be social media time at no we gbe ma when take it or leave it. And the value matter. Or time when we a monu be needy way. Or when more, he said the children that you gave birth to, look at them. You are busy superbo we. What superbo we? E moni me ma bien Africa me zige skuniya. E mo bien zige skuniya. You know? You can't be so just irrelevant on social media space. The only thing you know is about, like, why are you so stupid? What's your name? Where you are just a complete nobody. What's your name? Every sign we emi tama we emi no bede wo we na e na yan. But you pity we. Afiama we fiema ni legal we. You get to zuwa we wa digwe yi sen bege ase. When you know we are digwe. When we are digwe. What digwe yi no gbera yi sen. Where matter? Ogi obalo bete man come. My way, my way, I don't do me with my own bad work. No, I will only give you the necessary advice that will maintain your life and beautify you, make you a better person tomorrow. And by the time you come out, you will come and appreciate me. What I want from you tomorrow is to come out and say, Sister Wesley, thank you so much. Even your words, even if they hurt, even if you told me at the time, like, you told me the truth. This is the truth. Because I feel for your children. Honestly speaking. Are you for real? You can't have those kind of children and you want to come out and be talking to people who are even paying school fees for other people's children. I don't know. Congratulations, what are you? Ugurika, a baker, what will have you do? I want your bone with a ball while I work with the bio. In a tear bone, where you work with ball in the bio. A boitier, like, if that's all on they don't know that they are carrying costs. By the time you start jumping up and down, like, we ain't about naming one base, your life will not be meaningful. Your life will be so meaningless. You are jumping up and down, you want naming base. You jump from here to there, you are there. Man, where gear living a gear, like. They are quite the son of where they move forward and by congratulations, man, notice it or way because you are so irrelevant. Even when it been another phone with you, where in your hair, well, they are only there to sit down and watch you and listen to you when you are fighting unnecessary and irrelevant fight because you never give way and you have no agenda view. Adakamyoroni agie wo hunu wegeju azengbe mi lokomaye awa muwe tota na wa we hama wewe ahioju wo hu anatama wewe agiu wo hu awa gi wo hu ne bi ho obo ya fefefe no ma ba na no ke wopa no wa ba na awa lo we ne demu mo na ho ba we ne asiloju wo hu no na wa mwere wu menwa emi no salo boya wo modin. What God used to bless a person. If you are an elder sister, elder brother, God will bless you with your position. But when you fail to demonstrate your position to your younger one, you cannot even demonstrate your position to your younger one. Your younger one will take your position. You go handle land so nicely and excellently. You need to attend the rehabilitation house. When I heard that she was young, I even thought that one is the eldest because I don't really know you people like that. I was shocked to the brim of my blood to know that no, there's something wrong with you. You need to attend therapy. You need the doctor. You need to be you need to be Jesus. Or be van need in the for that mood. Or Bosalubwa or be Jesus. Or Chi when a head night you wet to turn out web one and woman. Or not bow diamond your way. Or not Tamaway get that more where I are de okay. Or not a you fair no offend on your behalf. A quick be mamwe, a here be maswe. Uma bega to wazua fefe. When some events of our warrior pia not you who are born. On your baby. On your baby. If you saw the maturity so on demonstrate, you beat a person already hands down. You beat a person already hands down. Some people expect you to see you fighting. No. There are some maturity that is more than fight. Every time now they talk for you. You don't use strength to do everything. You don't use strength to do everything. Do you know that? A story of giveaway. I hear it every day. It shocks you. I know the condition of your children, but I love children so much. The other guy in my way got a problem with them. Am I involved in here? Although I didn't involve them, but I am completely shocked to know that your children are living in that kind of condition. Ordinary wardrobe, your children does not have it. My sister, you need God. You need the Jesus with that more. A wardrobe will not herese. No one certainly anymore. A wardrobe is the smallest thing a mother can give to their children when they live abroad. Your children does not have wardrobe. A Ghana must go if you wear Vipmoji. Where do I tally the social media you are just like, how can your children be arranging their clothes in Ghana must go? When you are in Europe, you are useless. All the money you receive is to give them to a man. Or free center. No, you use your money to beg for dick from a man and abandon your children. Lady Faith in Agbare. Leave our children. Do you know how many months you have been talking about my children? If you repeat that comment, I'll block you. Do you know how many months? I want to use this opportunity to advise people who live in Africa. You want to travel and you have children. Make sure you get a priority where make sure you get priority way is your children. You see, when your children are not your priority, that is exactly what the enemy are going to be using to demoralize you every time, every day, every minute, every second, and you cannot do anything about you. When a person is using your husband to demoralize you, it doesn't get to you. You see, when they are using your children and it's true, when it's even a lie, it doesn't hold water. But when it's true, do you know that I still have pictures of your children? Social media, side road. I still have the picture and screenshot, even the video. I have them here in my hard disk. You want to sit down on social media and be talking to people. Don't know where he must say, and we are good one and we are away. What more yet for what is here? You're back away. Woman always here. No, there's no other person who will cry or cry for you. I'm advising you. I will not condemn you. No. Although you are due for condemnation, but still I will not condemn you. You are overdue for condemnation. Overdue. Or we wahi the condemnation, but still, I will not condemn you. I will give you a long rope so that you will change and testify on social media tomorrow. So that by the time you sit down under your shade, you will testify to say, Rita was one of the people that always tell me about these children. And until you bring your children to Germany, or you put them in a very good school, either body house or a nowhere for how many years, you are able to do it for them, you are going to remain irrelevant on social media. You're never going to be relevant. Never. No matter how you try. You are always going to be a weapon. You are always going to be a tool. Even who may use. Who may be useful no matter. Even men of it, when I are here, I'm low. You are low for me. And then I may use if you're for. That's what life is. And more time when we are there, Rebecca. And more time when we are there, Rebecca. A country in Germany, you know what is this? This is a computer country. This is a computer country. A country not here, emi na gbe yoto bu ya ye gota. Ati country ni imagine na bedo. Emi no bon agbe yoto bu ye, aye gota. Ati e kin imagine na. A benefit yam we wari ye de na. A time is going to come, you will vomit all of them. This is Germany. You are going to vomit it. If you don't know how you are going to vomit it, I will do another topic one day and tell you how you will vomit all the benefits you are eating today. You beg money, government to see I know about away now. You are tally the social media. You don't know what to do with them. By the time government pay a lot of money for them tomorrow to do hospital and they fail, you have demonstrated that you have been a useless mother. And those bills are going to be given to you to pay. Ask other people who are passing through that thing. Many people are debtors in Germany because of irrelevancy and unnecessary things that they are giving their time and attention to. We know what that is. We know my swagmo. We know what team area a company that you auto ya demi kun. We set it the television kun. We set it daga kun. We set it the carpet kun. We demi ya fe kun. Then you calculate any ya mu de kun. 8,000 euros. You have pay 50 euro, 100 euro, 150 every month. You go to government to setting a pay. So your mind is telling you that me and you, your mind is not telling you to say, oh, by the time you just collect a small paper, even when that paper never makes sense for Germany, as long as you are receiving a government money already, you go to Auto, you go and carry debt in Auto, buy all your furniture for your house. Your mind tell you say me and you ndo na eti demi ya repalo we kun eboto na eti arige government ni yan kere yasa. My sister, you are making a very big mistake. The mistake you are making right now is the one you will cry over tomorrow. And you know people like us, my rule bo ask you where me making. Bo ask you where me making. Ya zero bo. Mabege ya ilo we ni biago ya bi eni. Yeah, you if you turn a canary, where you are here, I do dollar with that more dollar in the social media. What to have them, you may give in a young way. You want to be valid. You understand? Yeah, here where to time, no see any night lane when my way about Hanya. You get that more when you need to be that way. And the swimmer on my way in a young way, the Gemini, he will topic to tower damn. We are dollar that more. After you have taken enough from what I am teaching, you go and use it to beautify your life. Out of every nonsense, there is a sense. So whatever a person is saying on social media, there is always a sense. But this woman, she talk nonsense and there's never a sense inside that nonsense. Somebody say, ha ha ha, Rita na Germany. I hope you are understanding what I'm discussing. If you are in Germany. If you are in Germany, you can just call Auto. You know, say many people when you enter Europe. Now, so it they do them baka. Immediately, government just give them 1 year resident permit, 2 years resident permit. They ask people. Do you know how many people have asked me the same question? Mama, I want to buy big television. Mama, I want to buy big cupboard. Mama, I want to buy big fridge. Mama, I want to buy this one. Mama, I always advise them, make sure, be careful of debt. I won't do the competition in Bema. Why they debt in the Germany? Make sure one day you do one mortgage. Make sure it's mortgage. By the time you are mortgage end. Make sure it's mortgage. And make sure you are a hard-working person. Mind the way delay competition without one television on because one television on one furniture so that me and I have maga agam ya mukun eboto. Me na do mundo ya total do ya mu wivon ni ati eju mundo wa we ni ana igbasin vede yorita no pa wa ati ono na wa ati no pa who is going to see an irrelevant element like you? An irrelevant element like you? Who? I really advise you because a life way, the only way no ya beautify a life way, no one become normal and useful to your own self now is to face your children. I give you 3 months to give me an evidence of where your children live. Oh, Nia say, and let your sister testify to it. This one, according to Jama, is my agabe to you. A home working in Median when I one in where do show the social media. We go one in of Africa. It might be unable to go one in they are living fine. If you may view more, the Ghana must go. The couple de yama moji de agbe. Si women couple de nia view moji de agbe. If where yeah day you yeah here all day. All way Ghana must go Gazans with Mohian on Joy is called Joy Malu Ayon Ketana, I know Moye School Guia. When would the agreement on social media? When we may go to Tama, we back Larry, Gaba the Westaka, Uzua, a woman be valid. A woman be valid. Menirita, no, it is that monoma where the Germany now. A government is frustrated life because a government will never tell you to say, this is how you will live your life. Yes, a government is atamawe. Hireni ya watani. If you take it, take it. If you don't take it, go. One good thing this German government do to the new life of newcomers is that they already tell you already say, go and go to school. Finish. That's the only thing. Go ya school. A reason no say any other come away ya school so that no way no heke no way no ma heke no. A time in no heke where ya total you work class. A letter we send the Gioma no go eti or the phone man. A letter no send the Gioma we go eti or way ku work on that phone or we phone me man. A letter we send the Gioma de ken weje me no go eti or we phone me man. Me we yare kiege me nerita. Lare o we aya tun no mo we. Me I talking for English. The letter when you send go give person say help me read down. You dey with me for a say my phone. Your own personal letter. Oh, we are too no more. Go and sit down very well. Then the waro nania. Uma marry young baboy baruban in any marriage, you need to fight your life out differently. You need to fight out your life differently. Wa gbino we na gbino a marriage certificate or get cover away. And wa a marry obehwe una maro yanene winner. You are still on your own. Or now, if you have a marriage certificate with a lazy man, that's the biggest imprisonment you can be in this Europe. It's imprisonment because it cannot even help your life. Because the government rejects you for that man. They reject you for him to say, take me, you carry go. Take me, you carry go. You marry her? Yes. Take. It's not your responsibility. You don't expect to have a marriage certificate with a woman and you want the government to be paying her bills. They don't do that. You demonstrate to the government that you are a man. You married because you want to take responsibilities. That is why you get married. And immediately you get married, the government allow you to do your calling, which is your responsibility. They don't do your calling for you. You sign the contract of marriage by yourself. So no one signed it for you, and you must carry the load. So, even if that man that you are living with right now work for 10 years, it's never going to benefit you. It's of no use to you. It will not help you. It will not even help you. This is Germany. To get a permanent resident in Germany, you have to do like this. And you are here sitting on social media talking 24 hours to people. Wasting your precious time. The time you are supposed to start running right now. Who is your mentor? I normally ask it on social media to say, who is your mentor? Check the life of your mentor. However your mentor is, anybody, or one and man and why you, every time I tell the talker. However the life of your mentor is, that is how your life is going to be. Because if your mentor is having, is a what they call, I don't know, like, she will give you, or he will give you the necessary advice that will make your life go forward. If you are in Germany, you are my follower. Orientation, a ordinary school course, the social media, go to school, go and learn. Follow the necessary way where your life will take better, because you see people are going to they are going to traumatize your life tomorrow. Even the government, this government in Germany here is one government that this country is not supposed to be a country for illiterates, because they are first world. First world. They are not so, it's not supposed to be a country that illiterates excel. It's not supposed to be a country that illiterates excel. That is why a lot of people are frustrating every day. The frustration you get it. Oh, we are not a resident permit or go whenever you have choice to do two things. Either you go out, or you have a husband who is having a what they call marriage certificate with you. marriage certificate, and is a doer, a worker. When he works, his work and his sweat will enter your life and beautify your own life. Because he marries you. Not a man. When you just come, you born one picking for her. You born two picking for her. You born three picking for her. There is no marriage certificate that is guarding the two of you. You are sitting down and applauding him. You know why some women normally cry to say, he leaves me, he leaves me. I was also a victim of this kind of thing before. Why do people leave you? People leave you because you stop growing. You are not growing anymore. You are not adding value to your life. So, it's not only a man that will leave you. Even women will leave you. Friends will leave you. People want to associate with correct people. Do you know the meaning of associating with normal people? A person you can gain from. Move. Grow. Go and grow your life. If you don't see me on social media, I'll be busy doing some stuff that is important for me to be. Not to remain in one place. I'm a challenge to my own self, not only to my husband. A big challenge to myself. A challenge in what making. I stopped being stupid when I was very young. I'm a challenge to myself. Oh, no queer. Not take a no review queer diamond. Now be. In every ramification of life. My mother will never talk down on me because I take my responsibility. My father will not talk to me anyhow. I take my responsibility. You will never see my younger ones insulting me. Never. Don't expect to see it because I know my responsibility. And I say it with all my mouth. I know how to direct them. Or do you not think right here in my hand? Don't accept it. A lifestyle yes. Then we young with beware, then we beware yours, 20 roto to an apolikunya. While we boy we say, not stand to say, it's when polikunya, ain't beware to know where J, the I want on mommy, how do I do this? Sister, how do I do this? Oh, my dear, they will always come to you. Even if the entire will marry Gonia, let them go. Or my water no my way no let them go. But they will always come to you. Because no fear you are not a nonsense elder sister. Like some of these ones we are seeing on social media. When your younger sister sits down and talk sense for 1 hour, and you sit down for 3 hours and talk rubbish, you have sold your birthright. Your birthright have been sold. And you don't deserve to talk. Even when you talk to a person like me, I don't hear you. I pity your nuisance. I pity you. I pity you. So igbina na yawo igbina no make sense. Igbina no na le lo magbina, o le lo magbina, o tie bon na, o tie bon nokpa. You are just busy like being stupid in every area of your life. Being stupid in every area of your life. Disturbing your own self, thinking you are disturbing people around you. Disturbing your own peace of mind. The time you are supposed to use and sit down, go and enroll in some schools and go. Come back. It may surprise remain when you don't even have, you have been living in Deutschland for many years, you don't even have honorary A2 certificate in Dutch language. You are stupid. And you want me to sit down and be responding to you. A failure, complete. You are not fail. I don't associate with failures. The reason why people will leave you is because you have failed. You refuse to grow. And when you grow, trees grow. Do you know that trees grow? A ryan grow. Although I've done it well before, when you grow, he come back. The reason why some men come back to you, or they come back begging, because they have seen growth. That's why they come back. Some people come back to your life to want to become your friend because they have seen growth. Growth attracts everyone. Growth attracts everybody. Everyone. I mean, I'm not a growth you attract. The reason why you are also attracted to whoever is using you to commit rubbish now is because you have growth attracted you. You see how stupid you are. How growth attracted you. That's what we call growth. Growth attracts people. Growth is good. Stagnancy is a cause. It's a cause for a person to remain stagnant. It's a cause. You are behind the world. You are not existing. You are a person that the world has already rejected when you refuse to grow. If a tree can grow, and when it grows, it gives breath, what they call, it gives out what they call oxygen, or yes, it breathes out what they call oxygen, and it brings in what they call carbon dioxide from human beings, interacts with humans. Trees grows. They don't stay in one place, and you will be human being. You are remaining redundant from January to December. Even in the social media, you are not growing. And you only want to commit nuisance and talk about people, call names, message to this, message to that, message to this on social media. You are stupid. You are stupid. I don't like people who don't grow. And if you are growing through nonsense, I don't also like you. If I cannot sit down and listen to your lessons and take something from it for 2 minutes, to me, you are a non-existing person. For the first time, I was forced to comment on your sister platform yesterday because she was making too much sense. Senses were coming out. That is what I expect from a normal human being. Senses were flowing left and right. Do you see that? Senses were flowing. I just told her to say, you are blessed. Nefertiti. How are you, darling? How are you, sweetheart? Who's your mate? You see, you will be calling to say, message to Rita. Who are you giving message to? Am I your mate? Your message does not even go. You message your children. They are the people who need you. They need you so well. They need you to survive. They need you to grow. They need your attention. They need your love. They need your contribution in their life. How dare you be messaging me when you have nothing to offer to the children that came out of your body? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Five bundle of joy. 5 bundle of joy. It make me Courtism everywhere. You have children in Nigeria, even when they are boys. When I see this raping and everywhere, I have some of the videos. They will be abusing them sexually, anally. You have those kind of children. You can't sit down and think about how to walk and remove their life. Children that you will sit down with tomorrow, they will slap you. From the age of 12 years, they will start watching and listening to your rubbish on social media when you have no use to their life. You want to message me? Are you stupid? Who are you messaging? Am I your mate? What message do you have to give? If you have any message, your message should first of all beautify your life. Let your message work wonders in you. My messages are working wonders in me. Any message I give, I have evidence of them. That's why I give them. I don't just give messages because I want to talk. If you ask me, put me down here on interview. Ask me anything you want to ask and see how I will answer you. That will be the difference between me and you. Are you stupid to be giving me message when you cannot even buy ordinary wardrobe for your children to put their clothes? Are you mad? You are expecting me to sit down so that I will be saying message to you. No. I will only add to your life. Your life is valueless. I will add some values. This is who I am. I'm a value giver. I give values to your life. Because I also love to take values. That's why I go to some people who have values on social media. I listen to them. I have people I listen to. I will not mention names. But even in the Edo presenters, there are people I listen to. No. They are begging the evidence of their talk from their life. If the evidence of your talk is not on your life, get a walk, go and take a walk and go and work on yourself first before you face people and start talking to people. You got nothing to offer. You got nothing to offer except nuisance, nonsense. At times I see you misbehaving talking out of point, talking anyhow, using your hand to arrange your weave 300 times, like, by force, let me belong, let me belong. Who is your mate? Are you mad? A gift to any woman for this life where God say bless you. It's your children. And it's a curse unto you to abandon your children. Woe betide you. It's a curse unto you to abandon the children that you give birth to. Woe betide you. You know when I will come out and even recognize as if somebody like you is existing, is when you can give me evidence of, this is where my children are living. This is the car that takes them to school. Every time. This is the school I put them. This is the school I put them. Children have eyes. They can see, they can feel. But most of the things, they don't express it. Because they are not in the position to express it at this particular time. But later they do. They express every single thing. The reason there is a thing that no man will say, o we we wajena ya dolo we weji. Ya dolo we weji. Even your stupidity is thinking everywhere. Ya dolo we weji. Ya dole monu bieji. Ye moye na himona ya yimi go baza. How can you have 5 boys tomorrow na where on a lakoti go dona no pa lakoti go dia no pa lakoti go dia. News and see everywhere. Wa biele mo viran vini ne wa tenko mo ade obodo asupe wewe. Agba owe mo. Ahwe wa so e more recording, e more nona, e more nokpa. And you want to be competing with people on social media. Why? Who are you competing with? How you wolfing? How you wolfing? Tomorrow, when we have competition, I will only tell you, go and take care of your children. You have the cupboard in the mom be. The mom need the cupboard. If you can't need the cupboard, they will appreciate you. They will love you. They will anyway. A frustration and when you come out, you smile. When you see a person who have joy and love inside them, they smile always. Smile is one of the things why I am woman enjoy the life. And when it is fake, you will know. When it help me out joy, no man. Not be man, they give you smile. Some people think that because you have a husband, you are smiling. It has nothing to do with that. Because you know who you are, you know what you are doing, you're a fulfilled person. You know how to fulfill your life. There are single moms, they smile more than married women. Do you know that? They don't have a husband in their life, but you see them rocking their life. They smile. When it's time to party, they go. They buy beautiful things. They are okay upstairs. It's about here. It's about here. Who are you? That's all. But when you abandon your money, where you na abandon where my Bible tana say, "O hiya na woman bekan." Or my go when back can when or anything no time away. We are here expecting we are saving anything at home and not saving go your bank. What I say every time. What I say every time because women joy who buy could never go away. This is Germany and I live in Germany with you. I expect you to make the best out of your life. I expect you to go and look for work. I am a worker. I know what I'm telling you. Go get 8 hours work. Start with somewhere. I mean, I'm out the dog person. I went contracted 4 hours in Oyari. Go take it so that you start reasoning like a normal person. Go with humans. Yeah, me go with a man. Every total 24 hours, while a message in one, you enter Facebook, be looking who is talking about me, who is talking about me, busy and looking for who is talking about me, who is talking about, so that you can come and reply and come and give message. Because you have nothing to give except what you hear from the mouth of people. That's the only thing you can give. Your body carries no experience. You are empty. The only way your body will carry experience is when you are useful to your own self. Your body will start producing experience. Your body produces automatic experience when you are useful to your own self. That is what you have to talk tomorrow. And when you are speaking it, people correspond because your body carries the experience. Ask a worker to say, how is the working environment? Let them talk. That is an experience. They know it. They are talking about what they know. Ask a correct mother who has taken care of her children in Africa. Ask a correct mother who has schooled, he go tell you, say, my pikin dey word of faith, my pikin dey greater tomorrow, the other one dey this one. I schooled that. I talk with people every day. I know people who have things upstairs. That's why I don't like dealing with fools. People who drain the little I have, who has nothing to offer. Somebody say you are very angry. No, there are messages when you are passing, you know. When you're passing this message, you feel like stressing it. But if I really stress it the way it is in me, some of you will think, oh, why is she angry? No, I'm not angry. Like, I feel disappointed. So very disappointed when I see that people have the opportunity and they don't use it. And these people will cry of witchcraft tomorrow. You start crying and thinking that other people do this to you and that. Oh, I'm telling you. You have children in Africa, you can't take care of them. You'll be in Europe busy mocking people who are not born. People who are not born better pass you now. People who are not born better pass you. Because at least she fed you for some time. Why is it that some people, you are in Europe now, this one should be an eye-opening to people. In a way, they work for Europe. The only thing you do with your money is to go and give it to your sister where they born like rats. Why you go? Why you hospital? Why you go? You use your money to take them to admission. You bring them out. You want born next time. You are irresponsible. Where is your own life? Think about yourself. Forget them. Concentrate first on yourself. These two people should be a good example for you. You see the other one, the time where they concentrate, they take care of them. When the time comes, what is it? You can open your mouth to say today, "Uma biye." What you biye le mo here no biye? Because somewhere, or bow the walk out, go worry about your body, or we, or manoe, swim and nibi way and my yapping. Where to go and way, no one way and one. Or manoe, uswe, or man way yama, eh, who weary yam, who your twin yama. Wait till your twin young man no do web no who have one and myself, Salopan or young man no idea. Or see another young man in my soul when I was your mom not work and my yard. You see that? You don't reason these things. You can't eat your cake and have it. Or I'm not standing when during the time when you was a nobody, you can't call them rubbish. Again, I say, where do feel where? Usaloba here go ahead. When the baba way, or one when my word on a jalona mubago 20 here. I'm the master winning. I've never sit down on social media to talk back to say it's not good for people to do this, it's not good for people to do that, the job this one is doing. As long as you are making sense. Why are you doing what you are doing? Your sister is doing what she's doing because she wants to build a platform. She wants to be recognized. She wants to know you. Why are you doing what you are doing? That's my question to you. Why are you bullying people? And for who are you doing it? What connection do you have with the people you are always talking to? Message to this, message to that. What connection do you have with them? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. The only connection you have with them is that they talk to somebody, so you want to fight for them. You're stupid. So, if you are expecting somebody like me and you to come and be fighting, you are stupid. I will not do that. I'm not your mate. So, you can be wondering and saying, they will not see any man who will not reply. I only have here with any other way or see any reply. They see you and you tarot by new wait. And when Latian will not yet make it a gatin. I sat down for 1 hour to listen to your younger sister. I was blessed. And you talk for 2 hours. God forbid I sit down for 1 second and I even listen to a bomb fool like you. A person who is not even. A person who is so stupid. You are not making any sense. You are just a tool. You are useless. So go and get yourself useful. There's social media or make sure when I don't the social media. No here differ when. You see, I'm here now. Whatever I'm doing is profiting me. If you think I'm on social media, you receive a stars, you receive, and I'm not making money on social media, you're wasting your time. You can be on YouTube and I make more money than you. If I sit down for a person like every yet have the social media, people who knows me so well. So you are stupid. Message to this one, message to my work by Dini, Ranju, and I'm looking at Dini say, so go and get useful. Gualega ya tota, dame hot one we go, I matter tama, and may not tama when no matter. No, way she make a lot of sense. So I don't me when wine on our no ya low because who go away. When you devalue what you have, God will reduce you, collect it from you and give it to a person who can add value to it. One man who go me worry no mabe no ye barrier Louis SMC. Or don't Louis say. Who men and where para or whom I thought I was Why you jump river gang, make no sense, nothing. And then you start by la wa. Ave mani be bihun go ni biare rego ni veje be muje ni mati je school mati je won ani re konpa. Ni an ave do ati we ni lo we ya polo la. O kan ave do ati we lare e bi no wa we say ye the same people ave go e ba ko e dey ma be. So make sure you take your position very well, and your position is for you to work for yourself. Anything really, I'll make sure you have a personal relationship with that thing. The people you are fighting, make sure you have a personal relationship and connection with them. That is why I don't fight or fight. It's been here. But when I know that I have a person, this person have tempered with me before, or I have a problem with this person that I can probably say in the public. Okay. And I have time to fight or nonsense fight. Like a deluded person, I don't do that. You see? So make sure. Hello. You realize with you?
Yeah, on this message you don't give a sense of better 1 year. I watch you with
so j'ai worry. Relax. Okay. So my people, later after I don't cook this my spaghetti, this my correct food, after I don't cook, I will come out and then I will talk about traveling, relocation, and all these things. We'll continue again this evening. So see you all later. Ciao.